most popular street food, Tawa Pulao. You have some leftover rice or you have cooked rice. Most easy and spicy, delicious rice. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj showing you Tawa Pulao. When the tawa is hot, I'm going to add in little bit of oil and more butter. Now I'm going to add in some onion. Some ginger garlic paste. Some capsicum, some tomatoes, to this I'm going to add in some boiled potatoes, some boiled peas. Now goes the dry ingredients, little turmeric, the main ingredient Pav Bhaji masala, spice is according to your taste. I'm going to use in the red chilli powder. Garam masala is an option. If you wish to, a little bit. With this, now I'm going to add in the salt as per the taste. Now I'm using the cooked rice. I'm using the long grained rice here. To make it yummier, you can add another blob of butter, the rice is hot. I'll switch off the flame and add some chopped coriander. Yummy tawa pulao is ready to serve.